Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on the Realme C33. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down and let it be settings in this case. Then click on the shutter on the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold it for a few seconds to make the screenshot. I failed. Let's try that again. Here we just made the screenshot. We can go for a capture more right here and then crop down the screenshot till you see the entire page and select save. And now we just made a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.